Okay, this video is just going over the grass for goats problem. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over the first problem. And since the last one is a challenge problem, okay, that one's really kind of tricky. I don't want to go over that with the video just yet. I want you guys to really, if you are interested in doing that, I want to give you time to really breathe in and really try that before you have a video to check it. Okay, so let's just look at the first part of grass for goats. Okay, a goat is tied to a 13-meter long rope attached to a barn. Find the area, the grass area, the goat can reach. Okay, use correct labels. Okay, first of all, if you have a rope tied to a center portion like that, like to a barn or whatever, like a post, it's going to form a circle. But because that barn's there, okay, you don't have part of that circle anymore because the goat can't be inside that barn. So the goat is reaching part of the circle that has a 13-meter radius. Can you tell that the radius would be 13 meters? Okay, so what I could do if I want to find the space that goat can reach, I first need to find the area of the whole circle, because that's what that formula does, pi r squared. And then I need to start thinking about how to do a fraction of a circle. So I got to do area. Okay, area equals, you can cut and paste that pi symbol. Remember, paste is Control V. Okay, pi r squared. Okay, so the area of the whole circle would be pi is 3.14 approximately, and the radius is 13. I'm just going to type in 13 times 13. So calculator, 3.14 times 13 times 13, 530.66. Okay, so 530.66 square meters in the whole entire circle. Okay, but can you tell that goat can't be inside the full circle? Can you tell that's just 3/4 of a circle that we're really looking at here? And I'll be honest, this is not the only way to figure out the second part. I'm just showing you what I think most of you would do, is to think of the part of the circle that the goat can reach as 3/4 of the circle. Okay, so I want to find 3/4 of the area. I want to find 3/4 of the 530.66. And again, this is the way I'm doing it, the way I'm thinking of it. I'm thinking of whenever you have a fraction of a number. If I want 3/4 of the area of 530.66, think of as multiply. I'm thinking of this is 3/4 times 530.66. I have a calculator with me. I want to take it a step further. I want to change 3/4 to a decimal. I think that'd just be easier if I have a calculator anyway. Change a fraction to a decimal. Remember, you take the top divided by the bottom. I take 3 divided by 4. And maybe you know that 3/4 of a dollar is 75 cents. Okay, so you know it's 0.75. So 3/4 is a decimal, is 0.75. So take 0.75 times 530.66. In my calculator, I'm going to get 397. I didn't say how to round in this, did I? I should have told you to round to the nearest square meter, because I'm getting 397.995. Okay, 397.995. So 397.9 anything, that's going to be 398 meters squared. Okay, so that goat can reach 398 square meters of grass. Okay, we found the area of the whole circle. by taking pi times r squared. And then after realizing there's only 3/4 of that circle, we need to take 3/4 of that area, which is 3/4 times that area. Okay, 3/4 is really 0.75, and you end up with 398 square meters. Okay, again, that last problem, I don't want to do a video quite yet. I want you to really spend some time on it. That is really some tricky stuff. Okay, that's only if you want to step into the swamp and try that. Okay, let me know if you do have questions though.